now we put on your head what is resistance and what is capacitance. The dual topic in one way. Okay, what is resistance? It resists the flow of current is called the resistance. The resistance offers resistance to the flow of current. That is called the resistance. What is capacitance? It is used to store the electric charge. It is used to store the electric charge. Resistance is denoted by capital R. Capacitance is denoted by capital C. R resistance is denoted by the unit ohms. So capacitance is denoted by the farad, F-A-R-A-D, farad. So it is resist the flow of current. It is an inherent property to resist the flow of current. It is used to store the electric charge. So unit ohms, capacitance on the farad. So the resistance is connected in series. First of all, resistance is connected in series. Resistance is connected in series. Resistance in series. Resistance is denoted by this symbol. So R1, R2, R1, R2 and R3 be the resistances are connected. R1, R2, R3 are three resistances connected in the circuit as shown in figure. So the current flows through the battery. So I current flows through the circuit. Now A and B has the resistance R1, B and C has the resistance R2, C and D has the resistance R3. So current is the same because it is connected in series, but potential is different. Therefore potential in between A and B is V1, potential in between B and C is V2, and potential between C and D is V3. Therefore, the battery supply total voltage V. So total voltage must be equal to the sum of the voltages V1 plus V2 plus V3. But we know that by Ohm's law, V equal to IR. According to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So substituting V equal to IR equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Therefore, I taken outside commonly, IR equal to R1, I common R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I cancel. Therefore, R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the net resistance when it is connected in series. But it is completely different in capacitance. So capacitance is denoted by two parallel lines have equal length. C1 is the capacitance, C2 is the capacitance, C3 is the capacitance. It is connected in series with a battery of voltage V. So now the voltage, so the charge is passing along this A and B, B and C and C and D. Q is passing through the circuit. Q series la poite irukku ore mari series la irukanaala, so adhe mari series la Q charge poite irukku, but வந்து Q equal to CV as per electrostatic law. So we can substitute. So Q is the charge flowing through capacitance C1, Q is the charge flowing through the capacitance C2, Q is the charge flowing through the capacitance C3. So therefore V is the total voltage. So now here, Q C1, Q C2, Q C3. So total voltage equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So V equal to, from this equation, Q by C is equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. So Q is taken outside. Q by C equal to Q வெளியே எடுத்துட்டோம். So 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. 1 by C3. So Q cancel. Therefore 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by 3. It is the different from the resistance and the capacitance. Capacitance is connected in series. It is the reciprocal of capacitance. Resistance in series, it is the sum of the resistances. Therefore, it is the mutual difference between resistance and capacitance. Capacitance is read by Faraday, resistance is read by Ohms. So, students are advised to follow these derivations easily and to solve the problem and to contact your friends and exchange your ideas and thoughts with this topic. And also subscribe to your neighbors, relatives and students.